The County Court Business Centre might be relevant to you if you have a CCJ in your credit file. This court handles administration and online claims. You won't be called here for a hearing. Let me explain exactly what it is. As it says in the name, this court in Northampton mostly deals with business cases. CCBC, as it's called for short, handles claims for utility and credit card companies. They also manage any challenges to orders of recovery after parking tickets and some driving violations. CCBC also deals with any deductions employers need to make from their employees' pay after a county court judgment has been made against them. If you receive a CCJ from the County Court Business Centre, try and respond to it within 30 days to avoid it being registered on your credit file. You may be able to come to an agreed plan if you want to spread the payments out. If you want to check if a CCJ has already appeared on your credit file, you can do this by checking online with companies like Equifax or Experian. Before a county court judgment is issued, the court must provide you with a notice of default and then a county court summons outlining the amount owed, the name of the lender and the nature of the debt owed, along with the creditor's intention to take you to court to retrieve the stated amount. If you receive a county court judgment and you want to check it's legitimate, you could contact the CCBC. If you weren't expecting it and you think it's a mistake, you'll need to complete an N244 form. You may have to pay a fee, which is a bit annoying if it's an error. It's not wise to ignore a CCJ because it would affect your credit file and it would make it difficult to get things like mortgages and credit cards and bank loans. Further enforcement action can also be taken against you and bailiffs could turn up to your house. The money could be deducted from your wages, which is called attachment of earnings. You could be made bankrupt or a charging order could be placed which secures a debt against your home. Working out how to pay your CCJ is the best way to move on. If you've been hearing from County Court Business Centre and you found yourself in debt, don't worry. There are options that could help you if you're struggling financially. One simple step that you could take today is to find out if any of the debt solutions available in the UK could work for you. Some stop creditors chasing you, whilst others write off some of your debt and lower your monthly payments. There are pros and cons to each, so if you're struggling with debt, it's good to get an idea of each potential solution. In the description of this video, I've linked to a form on my new website. It's got a few multiple choice questions like how much debt do you owe and how many people do you owe. At the end of the form, it'll connect you to a company that I've partnered with to provide you with all the information that you need about debt solutions that are available. So click the link below, check it out and let me know how you get on.